The armed forces of the Russian Federation continues.
Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov tanggal 3 Juli merilis adu taktik dan pertempuran terjadi sebelumnya Lisichansk takluk. Dua jenderal Kremlin memimpin langsung pasukan mengepung Lisichansk sebelum Ukraina dan tentara bayaran memilih mundur. Serangan yang berhasil terhadap kelompok pasukan Ukraina dikomandani Kolonel Jenderal Alexander Lapin merebut kendali di Verkhnekamenka, Zolotaryovka, Blogorovka, mencapai Sungai Seversky Donetsk dan mengepung Lisichansk. Sementara kelompok pasukan selatan dikomandoi Jenderal Angkatan Darat Sergei Surovikin memaksa angkatan bersenjata Ukraina pergi atau dieliminir, kata Igor Konasenkov hari ini. Ada 38 prajurit Ukraina, yang sebagian besar merupakan penduduk lokal dimobilisasi secara paksa oleh angkatan bersenjata Ukraina memilih menyerah sementara pasukan terlatih lebih dulu pergi. Pasukan Rusia dan Chechnya serta unit Republik Rakyat Lugansk dan resimen bertempur di dekat Lisichansk dan mengalahkan musuh yang terisolasi. Musuh menderita kerugian yang cukup besar di semua lini.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continues a special military operation in Ukraine. Successful offensive of central group of troops commanded by Colonel General Alexander Lapin have resulted in establishing control in Verkhnekamenka, Zolotaryovka, Belogorovka, reaching Seversky Donetsk River and having cordoned Lisichansk in coordination with southern group of troops commanded by General of the Army Sergei Surovikin. Ukrainian group of troops has been completely isolated in this pocket. 38 Ukrainian servicemen, whose major part constitute local residents forcibly mobilized by the armed forces of Ukraine, have surrendered in this area just over the past 48 hours. Russian troops and units of the Lugansk People's Republic are fighting near Lisichansk and defeating the isolated enemy. Novodruzhevsk, Maloryazantsevo and Belaya Gora had been liberated over the past day. The enemy suffers considerable losses on all fronts. 54th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has lost over 60% of personnel and equipment near Marvinka, Donetsk People's Republic, during several days. The rest of the personnel is demoralized and refused to fulfill combat tasks. High-precision attacks launched by aerospace forces near the eastern part of Kharkov has resulted in the elimination of provisional base of 127th Separate Territorial Defense Brigade. The attack has resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian servicemen and 15 units of equipment. Up to 120 soldiers of fortune have been eliminated by an attack launched by Russian aerospace forces at a base of foreign mercenaries. A unit of 5th Separate Assault Regiment from the 1st Separate Brigade of the President of Ukraine has been eliminated near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic. 18 Ukrainian militants have been eliminated, 2 of them have surrendered and the rest have escaped. Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 10 command posts near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Lepetiha, Nikolaev region, Zelenodolsk, Dnepropetrovsk region, 7 munitions depots near Konstantinovka, Bakhmut, Donetsk People's Republic, Malaya Shesterna, Kherson region, Vysunsk, Nikolaevka and Polana, Nikolaev region, as well as Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 15 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of 3 artillery and 5 motor platoons near Verkhnekamenskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Belogorovka, Maloryazantsevo, Zolotaryovka, Lugansk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 32 Ukrainian command posts, 1 munitions depot, as well as manpower and military equipment in 287 areas. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Su-25 of Ukrainian Air Force near Dubrovne, Kharkov region, and Kvitnevo, Nikolaev region. 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Novaya, Zaporozhye region, Volnovaha, Donetsk, Donetsk People's Republic, Dmitrovka, Izum, Berezovka, and Kupiansk, Kharkov region. 8 MRLS projectiles have been intercepted, including 4 launched by HIMARS near Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, and 4 launched by Uragan near Popasne, Lugansk People's Republic, and Kamenka, Kharkov region, and near the city of Donetsk. In total, 229 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,440 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 air defense missile systems, 3,893 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 704 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,078 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 3,979 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Tonight, from 3:00 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Moscow time, the Kiev regime launched an intentional attack by .U ballistic missiles with cluster munitions and two 143 race unmanned aerial vehicles at the residential areas of Belgorod and Kursk that have no military facilities. I emphasize that this missile attack had been intentionally planned and was launched at civilian population of Russian cities. Russian air defense means have destroyed all the three .U ballistic missiles launched by Ukrainian nationalists at Belgorod. Fragments of one of the destroyed Ukrainian missiles fell down at the residential buildings in the city. In addition, Russian air defense means have destroyed two Ukrainian Tu-143 race unmanned aerial vehicles charged with explosives while approaching Kursk.